Hi, everyone. Welcome
Hi.
back
Hi,
to another
everyone.
lesson of phonics. We are working with the R-controlled vowels E-R, I-R, U-R. And let's go ahead and get started. Remember, at this point of the week, you should be able to blend the whole word through, thinking about your blending, your sounds and your blending strategies. Here we go. Three, first word, two, one. Permit,
Perfect.
perfect,
Perfect.
perplex, and last word, perhaps. Okay, so thinking about these words again, read it more fluently. Three, two, one. Permit,
Permit,
perfect,
Perfect.
and
Perplex.
perplex,
Perhaps.
perhaps. What did you notice about this set of words? Looking at line one, what is something you noticed? Ms. Yakimowicz, what did you notice?
I noticed that each of the words starts with P-E-R, which makes the per sound.
Yes, it almost made me think about your cat, Leo.
Yeah.
He loves to purr. I think we heard him on the last video. You're right. So we have purr, 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 purr. Very nicely done. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez.
these are two-syllable words.
Yes, these are two-syllable words. And you might have noticed that the second syllable is a CVC or a CVCC. All right, let's jump into line two. Ready, boys and girls at home, trying your best. Three, two, one. 30,
90.
shirt, and
Flirting.
flirting. Oh man, Miss Kim isn't here for that one, huh? All right, let's go ahead and check these words. Rereading that again. 30,
30,
night
night
shirt,
shirt,
and flirting.
flirting.
Okay, what is something that you may have noticed on this line? Boys and girls, when you're ready, thumb to your chest, or actually, I can't see you. Ms. Hernandez, help us out. What is
Yes,
something you
I
noticed?
see the IR with the sound in all these words.
Yes, the IR is here. We have the IR in the back here and here in that first syllable. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss T?
I noticed that there's 2 syllables in the word.
Wow, so that's something that both line one and line two have in common. Two-syllable counts. Let's go into line three. Ready? Three, two, one.
Surprise,
Surprise.
Disturb.
Disturb.
Sturdy.
Sturdy. And
Turn.
turnip. So again, surprise, disturb, sturdy, and turnip. What is something that you noticed there? Thumb to your chest. Thank you, Miss T. Go ahead.
It's the sound spelled U-R.
Beautiful job. So yes, we have the you are here, the you are here, the you are here, and the you are here. All right. Anything else you might have noticed? Ms. Hernandez, I saw that thumb. Go ahead.
Again, these are two-syllable words.
Yes. So we can say that all of our words here are two-syllabic words, two-syllable words. Now we're at the sentence. And boys and girls, remember that this one is not thumb to your chest. This is number of words you can find. And I put a tricky word in there. See if you can catch that. Where we're looking for R-controlled vowels, words that have the sound in there. Hopefully you don't get caught up. Show me with your fingers, how many do you see? Ooh, okay, okay. I saw some threes and fours in there. We'll see about that. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's play it safe. Miss Yakimowicz, point out any of the words here that you feel say
30.
30. I saw that you skipped over something, which is good.
I know.
Anyone else? Ms. Hernandez.
Perfect.
Thank you for playing it safe. Perfect. Any more? Okay, Miss T.
Turnip.
Turnips. Any more? Yes, Miss Yakimowicz?
I was thinking word because it has a sound, but I'm not sure
Mhm.
because I know it's also a snap word or a sight word.
You're right. And actually it's interesting. It is saying And I want to just underline that because you said it what it is. It belongs part of the sight words or high frequency words or snap words. So I did throw that in there as a tricky word. It does have ER, so it is considered an R control vowel word. Good job. Good detective work. Woo! Anyone else? You didn't get tricked, right?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, we're gonna let this one go. But I'm glad that no one said there. And I'm glad no one said store. But you will be using this R-O-R later, just not right now. All right, boys and girls, it's that time again. Oh, wait, I totally forgot. Ms. Yakimowicz, can you reread that for fluidity?
There were 30 perfect turnips in the store for sale.
And Ms. T, can you scoop that?
There were 30 perfect turnips in the store for sale.
And what is that time again, Ms. Hernandez? It's not decoding, it's
Encoding.
encoding time. So please, boys and girls, grab that paper, grab that marker. If you're in your Seesaw account, go ahead and hit record, hit that plus, record, and teachers, when you're ready. And remember, thumb to your chest. Remember, boys and girls, I was strategic and I did let you see that each column has a different spelling set. So you're not getting tricked by it. Remember, it's just practicing your words here, practicing your spelling word pattern. Okay, so here we go. First word, ready? The word is paper. What's the word?
Paper.
So here we go. P-A-P, per, paper. P-A-P-er, paper. Show me. Beautiful. Okay, here we go. Next word is winter. What's the word?
Winter.
Win. Ter. Winter. Winter. Show me. Beautiful job. Here we go. Next one. The word is perhaps. What's the word? Perhaps. Per. Haps. Haps. Go ahead and show me your work. Perhaps. Excellent spelling. Here we go. Last one has 3 syllables. The word is peroxide. Peroxide. What is it? Peroxide. Here we go. Ox. Ide. Peroxide. Peroxide. Show me your work. Wow. Excellent spellers here. Let's go into the IR set. Here we go. The word is skirt. What's the word? Skirt. 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 Show me your work. Beautiful. And you'll notice these words are shorter, so you should be able to snap them out. Here we go. The word is shirt. What's the word?
Shirt.
Shirt. Show me your work. Beautiful. All right, here we go. The word is firm. What's the word?
Firm.
Firm. Show me your work. Beautiful. Last word there. The word is girl. What's the word?
Girl.
Girl. Show me your work. Beautiful job. Last set here. Last set. Okay, the word is lurch. What's the word? Lurch. Urge. Lurch. Lurch. Show me your work. Wonderful. All right, here we go. Burn. What's the word? Burn. Burn. Show me your work. Excellent. Here we go. The word is slurp. What's the word? Slurp. 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 Show me. Wonderful, wonderful. Watch it. 3-syllable count. I know you can do it. The word is windsurfer. Windsurfer. What's the word? Windsurfer. Wind. Wind. Surf. And then show me your work. Windsurfer. Wow. Beautiful job. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. Now we're at the sentence part, and you know what that means. Take a moment to hit that pause button if you need to write down your scaffold. If you don't need the scaffold, just go ahead and continue writing along with me as I dictate or say the sentence back to you. Teachers, when you're ready, thumb to your chest lets me know you are good to go. Beautiful, teachers. Here we go. It's better. Ready? The word is better. Bet. Ter. Better. To eat your yogurt. What's the word? Yogurt. 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 And then last word here is quicker. What's the word? Quicker. Watch it. 2 letters for qua. And teachers, can you say it out loud? How do you spell qua? Q-U. Very good. Qua. Quick. And then Qua. Sorry. Qua. And then Show me your work, teachers. It's better to eat your yogurt quicker. Awesome sauce. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Yay. Pat yourself on the back. Job well done, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us. Join us tomorrow for another round of phonics. Bye.
Bye.